What does the duck say? Do it again. Really loud. Good job. What does the rooster say?
What sound does the doggy make? Woof, woof.
Look at Mama and do it.
Look at Mommy.
Iris, what sound does a dog make? What sound does a kitty make? Do it again. What sound does a cow make? What sound does a horse make? Can you do it? Can you do it?
What sound does a sheep make?
What sound does a sheep make, Iris? Iris.
Look at Mommy.
Look at Mama. What sound does a sheep make? Ba. Do the duck again. Look at Mama.
Look at Mommy.
Iris. Iris. Do the duck again.
What sound does the duck make? Real loud. Do it loud. That's about as good as she's going to do.
I know, she won't do it any better.
What else does she do? Sheep, dog, cat.
That's it,
Duck,
I think.
Rooster. Do the rooster one more time.
Iris.
What sound does the rooster make?
She's totally ignoring it.
Good job.
Come here, Pumpkin. Stand up. Stand up and show me your eyes. Where are your eyes? Eyes? Where are your eyes? Where are they? Iris.
Iris.
Where are your eyes? Ears? Eyes? Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your mouth? Where's your ears?